Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of the NEMESIS Social Innovation Learning Platform. This video will demonstrate how a teacher can manage his or her school area. First, you need to be logged in. If you want to learn how to register or log in the platform, please check the video about that topic in the NEMESIS channel. After you are logged into the platform, there are different ways to find your school area. You can find it in the Co-Creation Area menu. You can click on your country and in the sub-menu click on Schools. You will find your school area there. Other easy way to find your school is by clicking on the top menu named Personal Desktop, and there by clicking on My Courses and Groups. There you will find your school group and all those groups you are a member of. Next to the Personal Desktop menu, you can find the Repository menu. There you can find the last pages you have visited in the platform. This is an easy way to access all the last visited pages. Now let's see what you can do in your school area. You are the administrator of your school area, so you can manage not only the content in that area, but also the users who can access that content. You will find some useful links to the project questionnaires and to the teacher or students area. But the main purpose of the school area is to upload the content your students have developed, to communicate with the students, and for the students to communicate with each other. You will find 4 folders to upload any content related to the co-creation labs you hold in your school and the activities you develop through the co-creation labs. We're going to upload a PowerPoint presentation. To upload the presentation, we need to go to the presentation folders, and then we can see the option Add New Item. Click on it. A menu is displayed, showing the different objects you can create. Since we want to upload a file, we click on File. In the next screen, you can select or drag and drop the files you want to upload. Once you have selected the files, click on Upload Files. The new file will be available to download in that folder for all group members. The same procedure should be done in case you want to upload any other kind of document. Now, let's see what is happening with videos. The best option to upload video to the platform or show a YouTube video in your school area is to use the media pool. To do so, you need to move to the Digital Stories area. Here, you can create a media pool, which is a container for videos, music or images. You need to give a name to this media pool and click on Add Media Pool. Now you have your media pool created and you can start creating media objects by clicking on Create Media Object. Please select a proper name for the video. If you want to upload a video to the platform, select the file you would like to upload and click on Save. If you want to add a YouTube video, select the URL as a resource and copy and paste the URL of the YouTube video. Once you have selected the video or pasted the link, click on Save. You can access the video directly by clicking on the name of the video. Now let's talk about membership in a school area. Every teacher or NEMESIS community member or student can access by default all the content included in each school area where he or she is a member of. You just have to go to the school area you want and click on Join. All groups are by default set to public, so you just need to click on Join and accept that your basic data will be visible to the group administrator. As an administrator of your school area, you will find extra options beneath the school name. The most important are located in the Settings tab, where you can change the name, the description, icon, or registration procedure for your area. You also have the members, where you can manage the users who have access to your group. In this tab, you can easily add new members, writing the username and clicking on Add. If you want to know how to register your students in the platform or how you can share experiences with other teachers involved in the NEMESIS project, check our video tutorial called NEMESIS Platform for Teachers. Register your students and share your experiences. If you have any doubt about the NEMESIS platform, do not hesitate to send an email to nemesis/platform@ili.fau.de. In English, German or Spanish, we're here to help you. Thank you and goodbye.